What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB with my first video of 2019. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. To my new people watching this video, grab a seat. I got some cool things to show you guys. So today's video is gonna be my top 5 Nike and Jordan pickups of 2018. You guys may see some shoes that you've never seen before, but that's okay, because in this channel, you don't have to be a sneakerhead to appreciate some fly kicks. As a sneakerhead, shoe collabs are always special and we go crazy for it. Pretty much a collab is when a brand like Nike or Adidas partners with another brand. Some collabs that y'all might recognize will be the clothing label Off-White with Nike, or more recently, Marvel and Nike with the whole Spider-Man shoe. Some of you guys may have seen this. It's the Adidas and Dragon Ball Z collection. I don't have a pair of those, but I'll put a pic right there so you guys can see what it looks like. And at number 5 is the PG PlayStation 2.5. This is the second collaboration between Nike and Sony, and this is Paul George's second shoe with Nike. This sneaker right here draws inspiration from the classic PlayStation with this whole gray colorway. And what makes this shoe so fire is that both logos on the tongue actually do light up like a PlayStation. So I'll just turn off the lights to set the mood. Just kidding. Just want to show you guys how the tongue lights up. This shoe also has minor details around it symbolizing a PlayStation buttons, like the X, square, triangle, circle right here and around the shoe. It has other colors that match the logo. I see myself personally wearing these with a Nike tech suit or like any type of Nike pants or basketball wear. Really clean shoe. And at number 4 is the JTH Air Jordan 3. JTH stands for Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield. All of my non-sneakerheads out there watching this video right now that don't know who Tinker Hatfield is, Tinker Hatfield is the designer behind some of the most iconic Jordan models. Some of you guys may be familiar with the Air Jordan 3 and also the Air Jordan 11. This shoe to me is not only super fire, but I feel like it's really slept on. I have to say, this is probably one of the highest quality Jordans that came out this year. The whole upper is made with a nice soft suede. You have some leather right here, the iconic elephant print, and of course the Nike heel tops it off. My favorite feature on the shoe would have to be the most hidden feature. And what that feature is, this has a 3M swoosh. Is it just me, or do these shoes give you Yeezy 1 vibes? And at number 3 is the Air Jordan 4 and Levi collaboration. You guys would probably look at this shoe like, that's just an all-white shoe. What's so good about it? But trust me, a lot of heat on this shoe. What makes this shoe so popular and actually really dope to me is that the whole upper of the shoe is a distressed white Levi denim. If you look closely on the wings right here, you see that the thread is distressed, is coming apart, and also right here as well. You have that gum bottom around the shoe, which I feel like is really clean, and you got that red hints to top it right off. Now, this wouldn't be a Levi collaboration if I didn't show you guys one of the most important parts of the shoe. So on the side of the shoe right here, you have your iconic Levi's tag that you see in the back pocket of Levi's. And also what's really cool is that on the hang tag on the Jordan 4, you have your Levi Strauss logo, which can be found in the back of your jeans. Another feature that I feel like is really cool, stood out to me when I first saw it, was on the tongue, it shows Air Jordan 4, size 9.5. I personally never seen that on a shoe before. I feel like it's a really cool concept, but it may not be the best of ideas showing your shoe size on the front of your shoes, but hey, I didn't make the shoe. So these next shoes right here at number 2, crazy. Like, these could have been number 1, no lie. I haven't worn Air Force 1 since high school days, but these pair of shoes, like, don't jack that. And then number 2 is the Nike Air Force 1 collaboration with Travis Scott. This is the second model. The first model was a white colorway. This colorway, they call it Sail, which is more like a beige off-white. This shoe right here is very clean and well put together. Your whole upper is a nice beige canvas material, off-white midsole, and you have a gum bottom just to complement the whole shoe. One thing that I love about collaboration, they always come with goodies. This shoe comes with another set of removable swooshes to go in the shoe. This can actually come off, kind of rough, and then you can pretty much add anything you want. So this shoe can be customized to your liking, and you won't see anybody wearing the same combination you have. Really dope, really original. Another dope part of the shoe is that the patches that's on the laces, one shows sad face. The other one shows Cactus Jack. You already know the vibes. These can actually come off too, so if you didn't want to wear them, you don't need it. Another thing I love about this shoe is that Travis Scott actually put grills on the laces. Like, what shoe you know is doing that? Smile for me, daddy. What you looking at? I want to see your grills. I want to see your what? This may look like a regular shoe in the daytime, but in the night, it's lit.
Diamond teeth, diamonds white and pink.
And at numero uno, number one, whatever the language you can translate one in, is none other than the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4. This shoe low-key reminds me of the Eminem 4s. Some of you guys who watch this already know Travis Scott is my favorite artist, so it's only right that I had to pick these up. The reason I gave these Jordans number one over the Air Force One that Travis Scott made, at the end of the day, I'm a Jordan guy first. Jordan got me into sneakers. The Air Jordan 4 is one of my favorite models of all time, so it was a no-brainer for me, honestly. This shoe right here pops so much to me. I love the light blue suede, the black speckles on the wings, the white midsole, the hints of red. It's just crazy. On the back you have your Jordan logo right there, and right here you have Cactus Jack with the whole splatter around it. Really sick. On your hand tag you have the Jumpman logo in leather, and around it you have Cactus Jack, Travis Scott record label. I personally feel like this is cool as hell because it's minor details. I don't wear the hand tag, so I honestly don't really care. Overall, really clean shoe. I cannot wait until he drops his Air Jordan 1s. It's gonna be coming out, I believe, this year. It's gonna go crazy, and I need that. No lie. Well, guys, that's my top 5 favorite collabs for 2018. Just wanna give an honorable mention to the Sean Witherspoon 97. Put that right there. If I got those shoes, that probably would have been ranked really high. I'm not gonna say which number, but it would have been really high. But I wanna know what you guys think. Let me know what's your favorite Nike Jordan collaboration of 2018. Also let me know what I could have added to my list, what I could have removed. Pretty just give it your overall thoughts of what you guys felt. And as always, if you like this video, want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna be dropping some more heat. My next video is gonna be my top 5 Yeezys of 2018. It may be top 5, maybe more. I have a lot of heat that I gotta show you guys. It's crazy. You don't wanna miss that. And as always, thank you for watching. JB out. Peace.